The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, the attacks launched by ground assault and dummy aviation, as well as artillery of the Zapad group of forces, have resulted in the neutralization of the Ukrainian manpower and military equipment near Granikovka, Stepovaya, Novoselovka and Timkovka in Kharkov region. The enemy losses were up to 70 servicemen, 1 armored fighting vehicle, 3 pickup trucks, 2 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system, 1 D-20 howitzer and 1 Polish-made Krab self-propelled howitzer. In the Krasnoye direction, the attacks launched by ground assault and dummy aviation, as well as artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center group of forces, have resulted in the neutralization of the enemy units near Terny, Torskoye, Yegorovka of Donetsk People's Republic, Chervonaya Dibrova and Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy losses were over 235 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks, 1 D-20 howitzer, 2 Akatse and Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems, as well as 1 US-made M777 artillery system. In the Donetsk direction, the attacks launched by aviation, as well as artillery of the Yug group of forces, have resulted in the neutralization of up to 160 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 1 infantry fighting vehicle, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 4 motor vehicles. The attacks have also resulted in the neutralization of 1 Akatse self-propelled artillery system, 1 D-20 howitzer, 2 Grad and Uragan and Olkha, as well as 1 M777 artillery system and 1 US-made M109 Paladin self-propelled howitzer. 3 munition depots of the armed forces of Ukraine have also been destroyed near Dvurechnoye, Galitsyanovka and Novoselovka Pervomaysk in Donetsk People's Republic. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational, tactical and dummy aviation, as well as artillery of the Vostok group of forces, have launched fire attack against the Ukrainian units near Ugledar, Prichistovka in Donetsk People's Republic and Chervoki in Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 1 sabotage and reconnaissance group of the enemy has been eliminated near Novodmitrovka in Zaporozhye region. The enemy losses were up to 75 soldiers, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 4 pickup trucks and 1 Akatse self-propelled artillery system. In the Kherson direction, as a result of the shelling, the enemy losses were 35 Ukrainian servicemen, 6 motor vehicles and 1 D-30 howitzer. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 101 Ukrainian artillery unit at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 197 areas. 3 radar stations of the Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system have been uncovered and destroyed near Ukrainsk, Novodmitrovka and Krasnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace forces has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Uspenovka of Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have intercepted 15 projectiles of HIMARS, Uragan and Olkha multiple launch rocket systems, as well as 7 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Okop, Dvurechnoye in Kharkov region, Pervomaysk, Pokrovskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Yegorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Balochki in Zaporozhye region. In total, 401 airplanes, 221 helicopters, 3,425 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,303 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,059 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,363 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,953 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. On the 14th of March 2023, in the morning, the Russian aerospace control systems have detected an American MQ-9 unmanned aerial vehicle flying over the Black Sea near the Crimean Peninsula in the direction of the state border of the Russian Federation. The drone flew with its transponders off, violating the boundaries of the temporary aerospace regime established for the special military operation, communicated to all users of international airspace, and published in accordance with international standards. Fighter jets of the Air Defense Force on duty scrambled to identify the intruder. As a result of quick maneuvering, around 9:30 AM Moscow time, the MQ-9 drone went into an unguided flight with a loss of altitude and collided with the water surface. airspace. The Russian aircraft did not use onboard weapons, did not come into contact with the unmanned aerial vehicle, and returned safely to their home airfield.
Тисячі і тисячі наших людей стають на захист.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.